Welcome back. Now that you have your Phantom wallet set up, it's time to get beta access to Spend.Shop. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your wallet, complete the required social tasks, and mint your beta access NFT. First, head to Spend.Shop. In the top right hand corner, click Connect Wallet. We're going to select Phantom Wallet. We're going to click Connect. And now we're going to go ahead and sign and confirm. Perfect. Now we're going to scroll down to get beta access, and we're going to click beta access. Now that we've completed that, you're going to need a Twitter account to go ahead and complete this. So now we're going to go ahead and click on connect your Twitter, authorize the app, give it a second to load. And now that task has been successfully completed. Now we just need to complete two more tasks. First, we're going to follow the follow spend Twitter. Follow. All right, now we're following. And we're going to click on verify to verify that. Next, you're going to have to tweet about spend. Since from this account we already tweeted, that already shows verified. But you're going to go ahead and verify that on your end. Now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and mint our NFT onto from Foster. And click Collection Edition, connect our Phantom wallet, connect, confirm. All right, now that our wallet's connected, we're going to click Collection Edition, and we're going to go ahead and confirm this purchase. Alrighty, that transaction did go through. As you can see here, it says that we bought the NFT. It doesn't show in your wallet, but don't worry about that. If you check on SoulScan, you should be able to see the NFT there. Alrighty, now it says we're verified and we're a verified NFT holder. Congratulations, now you have beta access to Spend.Shop and can start shopping with crypto. In our next video, we'll walk through placing your first order. If you have any questions, join our Discord community for support. Thanks for watching.